Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the continuation of exercise 2.5. So in my previous video I have completed till problem number 8. Now we will begin with the question number 9. So let us read out the question number 9 first. Here we can see the question number 9 is a ladder 10 meter long reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. The question they have told. So let us draw this is the base. Okay. This is the window which they have told 8 meter long. Let me see. A ladder 10 meter long reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. This is the ground level. So 8 meter window above the ground. And a ladder. This is, you know that a ladder will be in this position. Okay, this is the ladder. A ladder 10 meter long. Okay, 10 meter long. Reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. Base of the wall and foot of the ladder. This distance we need to find. Let us write this is O. I'll write this as A and this as B. Okay. Now let us write the description. What they have told here. Let OA be the wall or window. Let OA be the wall and AB be the ladder. AB be the ladder. So now we can see here in triangle AOB, by Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equals to, this is 90 degree, opposite is hypotenuse, AB square is equals to OA square plus OB square. AB they have given 10, 10 square is equals to OA 8 square plus OB square. 10 square is nothing but 100 and 8 square is 64 plus OB as it is. 100 minus 64 is equals to OB square. OB square is equals to 100 minus 64 is 36. OB is equals to root 36. Why? Square will become root. If we take that side square, it becomes root. Therefore, OB is equals to root 36 is nothing but 6. Therefore, the distance between the foot of the ladder and the base is, and the base is 6 meter. Okay, this is about the 10th one question. Now let us see the 9th one question. Let us see 10th, which is exactly same you have to do. A guy wire attached to a vertical pole of a height 18 meter is 24 meter long and has a stake attached to the other end. How far from the base of the pole should the stack be driven so that the wire will be torn? Same exactly here. Ladder they have told, here wire. You have to try yourself this, but I am just showing you how it will be figure. See here what they have told. Pole they have told. Let me draw the pole. 18 meter pole. In the question they have told 18 meter pole and the wire is attached of 24 meter. So you have to find the distance between pole and the wire. You can write any alphabet. It's your choice. A, B, C. Same thing you have to write. Let AB be the pole and BC be the wire. So you have to by Pythagoras theorem only in triangle ABC, BC square. Same exactly you have to try yourself. Okay. Exactly same it is. Now I am going to do 11th one question, which is bit little different. Let us read the question first. Question number 11. An aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at a speed of 1000 km per hour. Okay. At the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west at the speed of 1200 km per hour. Okay. How far apart will be the two planes after 1.5 hours? That is very important question, very easy also. So here we know that in airport there are many planes. There will be many planes. So what they are saying, two planes, one towards the north and one towards the east, at the same times they flies. So what they have told, as they flies towards north one plane and one more as towards west, how far they will be, find the distance, how far they will be after 1.5 hours. So let us start finding that, which is the easiest question. Okay. Let me first draw the east, west, north, south. This is the figure. I'll draw here. We know that this is the north and this is the south. This is west and this is east. Okay. They have told that from the airport. This is the point. For example, airport. Airplane flies towards north. After 1.5 hours, for 1.5 hours, it reach here, for example, and same from towards west, it's reach this side. So this after 1.5 hours, find the distance between them. This distance we have to find. For example, plane A and B. Now AB we need to find. But they have told here after 1.5 hours, how much they have traveled, that we have to find. Okay. Now question number 11. Distance traveled by, you have to carefully understand this, distance traveled by the plane, two planes are there, no, by the plane flying towards north, in 1.5 hours is, in 1.5 hours. How much distance it will be? North they have told 1000 km per hour into 1.5 hours. They have told after 1.5 hours we have to find now how far they are. So we have to multiply this 1.5 hours, 1000 as it is, into 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 0 0 as it is. So 5 3s are 15. 1500 kilometer it travels. Okay. Towards north. Now how much towards north? 1500 kilometer. Okay. Now the same thing we have to write for west. Distance traveled, exactly same, by the plane flying towards west in 1.5 hours. They have told in the question west is 1200. So 1200 into 1.5 hours. So 1200 into 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. We have converted mixed fraction into proper fraction or improper fraction. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 0 0. So 6 3s are 1800 kilometer. So this side 1800 kilometer. Now we need to find their distance after 1.5 hour. 1.5 hour, 0 to A we got, 0 to B we got. How far they are we have to check. So let me write here, in triangle AOB by Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equals to OA square plus OB square, right? So what we have to do? AB we don't know, but OA we know, 1500 square plus OB 1800 square. 15 square is 225 and double zeros are becoming 4 zeros. Okay, plus 1800 is 324. So 18 square is 324. Double zeros I'll write. Okay. So adding this AB square as it is, adding this, what we are going to get is 225 plus 324 is nothing but 549,0000. Okay, this 4 zeros as it is. Now AB is equals to square will become root 549. So let us see this 549. How we are going to get root of 549? Like we need to find perfect square. We know 9 table it will go. 9 6 are 54, 9 1s are 9. Now 61 is a prime number, it won't go in any table. So AB is equals to root of 9 1 2 3 4 0 90,000 into 61. So AB is equals to this root 9 is nothing but 3. Double zero I have to take as single inside the root. So root 61. This is the answer. So we can write therefore the answer is the distance between this plane. Therefore the distance between these planes after 1.5 hour is 300 root 61. They have told kilometer. Okay. So I feel you people might have confused here, but still I'll just revise once. 15 square is 225. 0 square double zero I have taken in place of 2 zeros 4 zeros. 18 square is 324 in place of 2 zeros 4 zeros. 225 plus 324 is 549. Adding this, you can add this, you will get this. 549 I have done here. 9 6 are 54, 9 1s are 9. We cannot divide again because 61 is a prime number. So 90,000 into 61 is 5,49,000, like something like that. 54 lakhs 99,000 will get something. So here if we multiply this we will get, so root 9 is 3. Again here 4 zeros I have to consider as 3 zeroed inside root it is there. So we don't know the root 61 as it is, we have to keep. So this is the answer. Okay. So now let us see the next question. Now question number 12. Even the question number 12 is very important. So here let us see. Two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter stands on the plain ground. If the distance between the feet of the poles is 12 meter, find the distance between their tops. Okay, let me see now. Two poles they have told. I'll draw one pole and two pole. One is big, they have told 6 meter and one more is 11 meter. Stands on the ground. They have told the distance between feet of the two poles is 12 meter. Find the distance between their top. Okay, now we have to find this distance. This distance we have to find. To find this distance, what I'll do is I'll join this. And now let me give any name. A, B, C, D, and here if we want we'll give P. any name. So now we know that in triangle, in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. If this is 6 meter, this side also 6 meter it will be. If this is BD is 12, this is also 12. Okay. Let us write now question number 12, solution number 12. So, what is the 12? Let AB and CD be the, let AB and CD be the two poles of height. AB they have given 6 meter and CD 11 meter respectively. Okay. Now we want this AC, we want to find this AC we want PC also, but we know that how we will get PC. PC is equals to, from CD, full from CD, what we have to remove? PD we have to remove. I'll say one more time, CP we want, this part we want, to need this part, from the full part we need to remove PD. CD they have given 11 and PD nothing but 6. 11 minus 6 is 5. So 5 meter we got PC. Now let us see in triangle. In triangle APC, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equals to AP square plus PC square. AC we don't know, AP 12 and PC just now we found here 5. AC square is equals to 144 plus 12 square is 144, 5 square is 25. AC square is equals to 169. AC is equals to root of, square will become root, 169. Root of 169 is nothing but 30. Therefore, the distance between their top are, therefore the distance between their tops are 13 meter. This is the answer. Okay. Now, let us see the question number 13. Let us see question number 13. D and E are points on the sides AC and CB. CA and CB. Okay. Respectively, of triangle ABC, right angle at C. Prove that AE square plus BD square is equals to AB square plus DE square. Here they have not given figure, so we have to draw figure. This is the figure of next problem. The given figure is 14th one problem figure it is. Here they have not given figure. D and E are points on the side CA and CB. I thought this, but it is not this figure. We have to draw this. Let us draw this figure. Okay. D and E are the points on the side CA and CB respectively of triangle ABC, right angle at C. Okay, I will draw this. Right triangle ABC they have told, but it is right angle at C they have told. Okay, right angle at C. But what they have told, D and E are the points on CA and CB. So this, for example, A, B, C, C they have told right angle. D and E are the points. D and E are the points on triangle CA and CB. Okay. What they have told to prove, that is very important. They have told to prove that AE square plus BD square is equals to AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. AB square plus DE square. They have told these to prove. Okay, AE square plus BD square You can see here AE square plus BD square is equals to AB square plus DE square. This we have to prove. Okay. To prove this, now let me start. What we have to do? AE we want. AE. That means need to join something here. They have told AE. So AE should be joined. Okay. AE. Let us join first DE. Because DE also is there in to prove. And let us join AE. I'll draw here AE with different color. AE, join AE and join DB with some different color. I'll join DB. Okay. Now let us see now what we have to do. Let us start proving this. In triangle ACE, AE we want na. All right angle triangle let us take because this is the 90 degree. In triangle ACE, AE square hypotenuse 90 degree opposite side. Pink color I have used now, that is the hypotenuse. AE square is equals to AC square plus CE square. Yes, let us consider this as equation 1. Now one more right angle triangle we can see BCD. Blue color is a hypotenuse. In triangle BCD, now BD square is equals to, okay, CD square plus BC square. Let us consider this as equation 2. Now we can see here adding 1 and 2 what we'll get. I'll just add this, adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2 we get, let us add this, AE square plus BD square is equals to this side AC square plus CE square plus BC square plus CD square. Okay. I'll consider this as equation 3 now. Now let us consider one more right angle triangle in this only. We can see again any right angle triangle. Yes, we have this small triangle. In triangle DCE or CDE. In triangle, right angle triangle DCE, we know DE is a hypotenuse. DE square is equals to CD square plus CE square. CD square plus CE square. Now let me consider this as equation 4. Now we can see very big triangle we have, complete full triangle ACB. In triangle ACB, all these are right angle triangle. So we are using here Pythagoras theorem only. All which how many triangles we have taken are 90 degree. Angle C 90 degree. So now by Pythagoras theorem AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square. Equation 5. Now adding 4 and 5. Adding equation 4 and 5 we get. Let us see. DE square plus AB square is equal to CD square plus CE square plus AC square plus BC square. Let us consider this as equation 6. So now we can just compare third equation and sixth equation. Equation 3, from equation 3 and 6 we get. See here everybody. AC square, we have AC square here also. CE square, CE square. BC square, BC square, CD square, CD square. That means this and this is completely equal. You can see here equation 6 and equation 3 we will compare. This side is exactly same. You can see which is exactly same. And we know that things which are equal to same things are equal to one another. These two are equal then. If these two are equal, then this two also is equal, which you people have learned in 8th standard axiom. So therefore this equals to this. AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. This is only they have told to prove. We got the answer. Why? How we got? These two was equal, therefore these two becomes equal. So we got the answer. So this completes the question number 14. Now I'll do the question number 15. Sorry, this question is question number 13. By mistake I have written question number 14. So this question is question number 13. Now which we have to do is question number 14. So in my next video I am going to do the question number 14, 15 and 16. So do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.